All right, this is the room I was working on right here. So I went on, it's tiny as you can see, but it's gonna be my new YouTube room. So I went black, definitely this full on black because I wanted the black and white theme going on, and I wanted the gloss so when the RGB light shines, it's gonna be cool. Around the windowsills, I put this wallpaper, has like a cool effect, and did the same at the bottom. I did a wrap around the bottom of the wallpaper. Did pretty good, I like it. And my next thing I'm working on right here, I'm trying to put RGB lights now. So I have GOVEE lights, and I was gonna show you guys what I did. Okay, now if you have GOVEE lights, this is the #1 thing you need is these. You can get these on Amazon. These are the clips for the GOVEE lights to put it up on the wall. But I had to put double-sided tape because I'm sticking it downwards because it can't bend this way. It only can bend around this way. So I had to stick it downwards with double-sided tape. The best double-sided tape in the road right now to me is this guy right here, alien tape. Let me tell you, you get this, that's all you need. You cut a piece, you stick it on there, bam, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I was doing real quick. If I can get up on a ladder with this phone. And yeah, my cat's just crazy. She's taking all my stuff. All right, so this is what I did up here. I got 100 pack on Amazon of these things because the lights are really, really heavy. So I double-sided it around the whole thing, as you can see. So what I did to make it easy, because the room is so small, is I just stretched this out all the way. And I did like a border right here, and then I put one, I put one, I put one. The leftovers I have, I'm putting in the middle because I need more the better because those lights are really heavyweight, like I said. But with the alien tape, I'm hoping this would hold. But I'm not done with the room yet, but I just want to show you guys before I put my desk on here. And yeah, my cat's over there. That's it. So that's the name of it right there, alien tape. That's the #1 tape I always use for everything. Let's go take a look at it right here so you guys can get the name right there. It's the As Seen on TV alien tape. The best of the best for double-sided tape. It's super sticky. All right, and I'll show you guys my room when I get my desk in here and everything. All right, this is the finished product for the lights. I got all the GOVEE clips all the way up. I just call it clips, I don't even know those things. But more the merrier because the weight on those things are crazy. So now I gotta figure it out. See it all in there? You can see the double-sided tape on the bottom. It's all good to go. Looking good so far. I know it's gonna hold, but how long would it hold? Like a year, a month, or what? I'm hoping it's a permanent thing, but we'll see. I'd have to press it down, like go up there, press it down, make sure it's sturdy. Probably like every year, just push down on it just in case. But okay, now to try to figure the lights out. Now this room is a weird shape because it's super small, but there's gonna be like a 3 feet gap. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it because my desk is gonna go right here from wall to wall. That's 100 inches. So from this side all the way to this side is 100 inches. It's gonna be one big giant desk and workspace. So yeah, I love that shine right there because it's gonna beam off those lights right there. That's why I got the black shiny one. I didn't want the matte black because, you know, what's the point of having RGB lights if you can't see them shine, right? But all right, now to try to figure this out. Oh, I forgot to show the box on these. So these are the GOVEE lights right here. This is the brand I buy. I always buy GOVEE because it's the best of best for rope lights. And 16.4 feet. So two of them is 16.4. So I can see I got two of these is gonna go up there. That's what I mean by it's heavy. These bad boys are heavy, so I had to like do a lot of those double-sided tape things, and I hope it's gonna work. Let's find out how we're gonna connect these. And yeah, that's my cat. He's a pain in the butt. So is the other one, but I kind of like it. Looks pretty cool so far. Remember, it's a bro cave, so I know the girls won't like it. So it's like a bro cave, you know. So you know, yeah, bro stuff. Bro stuff. This is for the bros right here, man. All right, now to put this thing out. Oh, this is gonna be a while to do this. Ugh. Now, do I want the 3 feet gap there? I gotta figure out where I want the 3 feet gap, because these things start from the middle and illuminate out. So I gotta, it's weird. It starts in the middle and it illuminates out when you play music and all that cool stuff. So the middle point of this, half of the 16 and half of the 16, so that would be the weird part, because I have a gap. I'm probably gonna do the gap right there. It's gonna illuminate weird because my desk is going right here, and I kind of wanted it to illuminate out this way and that way, but the way things are looking, I don't know, looks pretty bad right now, because I gotta hit these plugs. So one has to go here or whatever. They both gotta line up, so I gotta hit those plugs right up there. So yeah, this is gonna be a tricky part. All right, let's get started. All right, I just want to show you some of my things I'm doing here. So it snaps in real easy, as you can see. It just slides right in. Oh, I can't even do it with one hand. Can I do it with one hand? There you go, one hand. So it sticks in right here. Now the corner is the part that's tricky. This is why it can't bend the other way, because you can't bend it the long way, it'll break. So I just did it close in the corner, and I just loop it right around and work my way around. So far so good. So the only part that's off is like right around here where we can't stuck on. So I'm gonna remove that and bring it closer to the edge, because I don't want it free floating like this. So this slightly off, you know, but so far so good. So you just push it up all the way and snaps right in. It is holding really, really good. Make sure everything is snug in there. So it definitely looks like it came with the house. That's how flush it is. It's pretty cool. I like it. So as you can see right here, of course you got to push up a little on some of them, get rid of the gap in between a little bit, but so far so good. That's what it looks like at that end. The other one's going to meet the exact same point, because I'm making a big stand thing right there for my desk. It's going straight up to the ceiling, and that's going to hide right in the back of it, and it's going to be awesome. All right, let's go get finished. All right, so I came into a little bit of a problem. I had to take one down, and I'm gonna show you what's wrong with these legs. Well, nothing wrong with it, but I'm gonna show you. Oh, let me get a good side. Whew. Hold on, here we go. So this is the issue. You see this right here? Okay, so you just have the top part showing, right, of the light, but if you flip it over, you got this part plus this little line lights up right there. So I had to take one down, but I don't want the plug on that side. I want a bolt on this side. So sadly, only one, that one up there, can use the double lights. I call it double lights, but can use the double illuminated. So one is just gonna be don't line. I got no choice, because I want my plugs there, because my thing is gonna have shelves. It's gonna all up to the ceiling right there, so it's gonna hide all that. I don't want the ugly wire sticking down and you got to tape it or try to figure out how to cover it. But that sucks so bad, because it's going to make the light look smaller, and that cool little effect right there would be so cool, because you got both lights. You got a little tiny strip of the big one. I mean, the little one is not as, you can't really notice it that much, but still would have been cool. But one has to be this way. All right, let's get back up there and fix it up. All right, that came out pretty good. I got the plugs going one side. It's not as noticeable with the little line, so it's not too bad as I thought it would have been. So it's okay. I got both plugs here. Again, all that's going to be, it's going to have a whole bunch of stuff all there to the ceiling on that side, a lot of shelves, but it came out pretty good. And the gap, that's the gap I was telling you guys about right there. So easy. I don't want no plugs or anything. So guess what? Neon, like a poster or something, or picture, something's going right there. I don't know what yet, but it's not going to be lit up, because I don't want no plugs up there though, but something's going to go right there just to cover that up. But it's not too bad. Came out pretty good. I wish I could wrap it around the room, but as you know, these are $100 a piece. So yeah, I can't afford that stuff, you know what I mean? But I did pretty good. Again, this is the kind of like the design. I was going with the rock design, you know, have like a little concrete small design thing. I got the bottom right there. So it's pretty good. So this is what I was talking about, that it does it in the middle. Hold on, let me press the button. I didn't program these yet, but it does a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, wrong one. Okay, wait, hold on. Put this one back on red. All right, here we go. Let's see what this one does. Okay, here we go. Check, test, test. So you hear my voice, right? Now I was saying like in the middle. If you look in the middle right here, watch. There's the middle. So now it's not too bad. Let's see what it looks like down here. So it's not bad now because at least it will illuminate from both sides of the room when you play music or whatever. I know it doesn't go all the way to the end, but like I said, I can't afford that kind of stuff. And even if you got more lights, you still wouldn't have enough to, you know, it would be weird. But that's what I was talking about right there. It starts from the middle, so if you get these, it's pretty cool because it goes from the middle outwards. If you're into like music or, you know, of course you're into music, but you know what I mean? If you want to get these going to music and stuff. But I think it came out pretty good. I got to unplug these because I don't want the weight to make it fall. Or in worst case scenario, I'm sure it's not, but you know. But so far these came out pretty good. Like I said, I wish it wrapped all the way around, but I made it exactly half of the room. So I am happy with the outcome on this thing. So now to get something to fill that space up, it won't be a light, but you know, it'll be something to fill that gap up right there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Again, this is for the bros, you know, this bro stuff. Now let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Again, it's not done, so it's a work in progress. I got to get my desk in here and all that stuff, but it came out pretty good. So far, so good. All right, again, it's GOVEE lights. These are $100 a pop. So it's 16 feet, 0.4 each light, because my room is small, so yeah. But if you got the money, I'll wrap this whole thing around every little edge of this wall, around the windows, everything. But hey, I gotta love no RGBs. All right, now it's the RGB lights from GOVEE. These stick on really good, so I put the tape there for measurements. It stuck on really good. I'll put it like right about there. I was gonna leave like a little line on the top just for color. And I'm gonna go down around the whole thing. And I might put black on the bottom too as well, like on the other half. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see how it looks when it's on. All right, this came out good, and like I said, the shine on the wall, that's why I wanted gloss really bad, and that's why I wanted it 2 inches away from the wall. So there we go. Let's go back here real quick. This is what it looks so far. So that came out super cool, and that's my desk with RGB GOVEE lights. And right here, yeah, don't mind my cat. My cat's a pain in the butt, but I think that came out real good with the shine and everything. So all right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Okay, the only thing I couldn't do is this little strip right here. I mean, I could have overlapped it, but I didn't want this on that. But that's the only drawback. That's that little strip. I can't go upward because it's facing, it's going that way. And I tried my best to get it in because the same thing's going on this side. So it's kind of the boat on both sides. But other than that, I'm leaving that like that right there. I think it has a pretty cool effect. So it's pretty cool. I like it. Came out really good. I know you can see all that that paint road stuff and all that, but all that's going to be blocked off. So I'm putting a whole bunch of stuff there. So that's the only side that has it. Another side has it. So I didn't really care too much. But that stuff is dangling. I'm afraid that's going to fall off. So I got to get my stuff up as soon as possible. But other than that, oh, this is the GOVEE that I'm using right there. So it's the same exact thing I did on my other desk, but I did it with those a while ago. And then recently they came out with this and copied me, you know, because it's my idea, you know. But they just did it they made one for your desk. And that's exactly what I did with those when I had those up. But yeah, this is the one if you guys want to get it though. It's GOVEE. Yeah, lights right there. This is a 16.4. Yeah, 16.4 feet. And it goes around. There's a little gap from here to here in the middle, which is fine because my computer monitor has RGB lights behind it and it lights up. So you can see like the reflection. Of course you can see shadows, but you can see like the glare and stuff right there. That's what I really wanted. That's why I wanted the shiny black, not full on matte black. So it came out pretty good. Like this side is all smudged up and stuff, which is okay. I don't care about that. You see all that stuff right there because this stuff is gonna have a whole wall on top of it. You guys will see. But so far those lights make it pop. All right, that's it.